announcing that security forces are carrying out the second part of the operation, which is to, in fact, nail down those terrorists who are responsible for attacking the tourists at Paisaran Valley. This attack took place in the afternoon today. 27 is the number which is coming out as of now. 27 deaths have, in fact, occurred in this particular terror attack, and for first priority for the security forces on ground zero was to evacuate immediately all those who were injured. They were in fact evacuated, shifted to sub-district hospital Pahalgam, and from there they were shifted to Government Medical College Anantnag and Sikkim Sora, where they are currently availing treatment. Second part of the operation was to, in fact, quickly start anti-terror operation. A search and combing operations taking place in Paisaran Valley. It's basically a forest area, and during night, at this point in time when I speak, security forces, the paramilitary troopers of Indian Army, the Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir and CRPF is conducting that operation and trying their best to ensure that those attackers are nailed and tracked as early as possible. The Home Minister Amit Shah has also arrived in Srinagar for a high-level meeting. He had a word with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was on a foreign visit, and now in Raj Bhavan Srinagar, in presence of Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and the top officials of Indian Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police DGP and several other security heads, they will devise a mechanism to, in fact, first he will be briefed about the situation, and second part will be to, in fact, decide what they will do. In fact, the first priority for security forces as of now is to ensure those attackers are nailed. They are, in fact, eliminated as early as possible. The area is under a tight cordon. Indian Army, the